Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my presentation. I'm going to kind of blow through these slides because this is the third time I've done this and I always end up going over 5 minutes. So we'll give this a shot. So sale with me, high level, you're able to upload garage sales and promote it to other users, as well as other users are able to find garage sales and get a little information about the sale before arriving. You can also create an account to track your sales and kind of get the historical piece to it. So base requirements. So obviously, I have a fully functioning user interface. I persist dab between sessions. So Firebase real-time database I used, which allows people to upload and create sales that they can then later revisit and others are able to view. I have 7 screens, as I will demo later. Scrollable list item. I do have people are able to see their past sales and stability. I have not found any crashing recently. I did have my family test it. They did find some bugs, and thankfully I was able to fix most of them. So my mobile backend integration, like I said, I use a Firebase real-time database to persist data. Users are able to upload new sales to the cloud. This is an example of what would be uploaded to the cloud. Just some generic information, address, and all that jazz. So network integration piece, one of the main issues I ran into was users do not know their latitude and longitude. They know their address. So I needed to basically take their address and get the latitude and longitude so I can give that to the maps feature and that can be used. I luckily found a geocoding API that allows me to basically provide the address and get a bunch of information about it. This is provided by Google, Google Maps API, I believe it is, and so I'm very thankful for that. Additionally, I have this advanced platform integration piece where I did use the React Native Maps to kind of have an interactive map. I also use Expo Location to get the user's current location. I did run into one hiccup where basically the emulator would not give me the location that I was at, but went to California. Just kind of moved on from that. Didn't want to dig into a whole lot. Chalked it up to an emulator issue. I also looked into Firebase Auth, and I'm using that for my authentication piece. Some user privacy concerns. Obviously, whenever you're taking location from someone, that's a flag, red flag, as well as authentication. Anytime you're taking a username password from a user, there's a potential that could be stolen and used maliciously. So let's jump right into the demo here. So we will kind of go back to the main page here. I will note this is me running it locally. The only thing I did change is hard code my latitude, longitude to be my current address. Like I said, Expo Location was having issues with the emulator, so that's all I did. I am logged in right now, and I am able to see all the sales I have had. I mostly just have these set up so I can prove that I have a scrollable list. I also want to highlight log out. So log out, and then if you were to go log back in, you would be prompted with this again. Users are also able to upload sales in their area, so I'll just do test one. So Ben, test sale. Let's say we're going to gen description. So selling old stuff. This is my address. So you can come find me. Just throw some information there. We'll do this over 4th of July weekend because why not, right? So this is kind of some features. There is also input requirements, so I can't submit if I don't have a description. So, whoopsie, which is cool. Also, if this date is before here, I'm not able to submit. It says it blows up, but if you do it afterwards, it works. So then we get a success here. Then we're able to basically view this, view sales additionally. So one example here is that this is a sale we have going on right now. This is my sale I'm doing. So it just gives you some start date, end date, the address, as well as some items I'd be selling there. Also, you can scroll up. My friend Mitchell's having a sale. So this is kind of how people would be able to view and quickly find sales in their area, to basically map themselves around. So that is basically the app in a nutshell. Thank you for your time, and hope you enjoyed.